Hello, fellow collectors. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're uncovering a hidden story from Canada's coin history that could change the way you see your collection forever. Imagine finding a coin in your pocket or drawer, one you barely noticed, yet it could be worth more than a small fortune. Today we explore not one, but two extraordinary Canadian coins, one from 2001, quietly valuable at $5.60, and another from 2010, a true gem now valued at $1,206. How could coins from the same country, just 9 years apart, have such different tales to tell? Let's find out. Let's start our journey with the year 2001. Canada was entering a new millennium, and its coins reflected both tradition and subtle innovation. The 2001 Canadian coin, modestly valued today at around $5.60, might not sound like much, but for collectors, it represents a fascinating story. Why? Because coins like this are more than metal, they are time capsules. Look closely at the 2001 coin. The intricate details of Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, the flawless symmetry of the engraving, and the subtle markings that identify its mint origin. These elements are what give coins their historical and collectible value. Many collectors overlook coins from the early 2000s, assuming they're too modern to be valuable. Yet, rarity is not just about age. It's about condition, mintage numbers, and sometimes sheer luck. Imagine holding a coin that millions of Canadians used in everyday life, yet today, in the right hands, it quietly holds over $5 in collector value. That's the magic of coin collecting. It's a hobby that rewards patience and attention to detail. Fast forward 9 years to 2010. The world had changed, and so had Canadian coinage. Enter the 2010 Canadian coin, now valued at $1,206. At first glance, it might look like any other coin in your pocket, but this coin carries a story of rarity, innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship. Why the leap in value? Several factors make the 2010 coin extraordinary. First, the mintage. Fewer coins were produced that year, making them harder to find. Second, collectors have since realized the coin's unique features, perhaps a special finish, a minting error, or a limited edition release tied to a significant event in Canada's history. For collectors, finding a coin like this is like discovering a hidden treasure chest. Imagine holding it in your hand and knowing that while millions may have passed by this very coin in daily life, only a select few recognize its true worth today. What's fascinating is seeing the story link these two coins together. On the surface, they are just numbers on metal, 2001 and 2010, but they represent a decade of Canadian history and evolution in coin collecting. The 2001 coin reminds us of stability and heritage, a time when coins were purely functional, yet quietly collectible. The 2010 coin shows us scarcity and modern interest, where even relatively recent coins can skyrocket in value due to rarity and collector attention. As collectors, this teaches an important lesson. Never underestimate coins that seem ordinary. Sometimes the quietest coins have the loudest stories. And for those of us who've been collecting for decades, there's a unique joy in spotting the next hidden gem before the world catches on. Now, let's talk about how to spot coins with hidden potential. When examining a coin, always check condition. A pristine coin is exponentially more valuable. Look for scratches, wear, and patina. Mintage numbers. Low mintage coins are rare by nature. Mint marks and errors, tiny mistakes, can make a coin extremely valuable. Historical context. Coins tied to important events or transitions in history often carry lasting value. Both the 2001 and 2010 coins demonstrate these principles. A $5.60 coin today may become tomorrow's rare find. while a $1,206 coin shows what can happen when the collector market recognizes a coin's uniqueness. Imagine passing your collection to the next generation. Think about a young collector years from now discovering your 2001 coin tucked safely in a protective sleeve, or your 2010 coin shimmering under a coin light, and feeling that same thrill we feel today. Collecting coins is not just about money. It's about history, legacy, and the stories each coin carries. Every scratch, every mint mark, every design choice tells a story of a nation and its people. And when two coins, one humble, one extraordinary, sit side by side, they remind us why we fell in love with coin collecting in the first place. Next time you glance at the coins in your pocket, don't just see metal, you see decades of history, craftsmanship, and potential fortune. The 2001 Canadian coin quietly reminds us that patience matters, while the 2010 coin proves that even modern coins can become collector's treasures worth over $1,000. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Canada's hidden coin stories, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your own coin discoveries in the comments below. Who knows? Your next coin could be the star of our next story. Until next time, keep collecting, keep exploring, and never underestimate the quiet value hiding in your pocket change.